Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Welcome our new viewers and to our returning viewers, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to make real Jamaican style red peas soup with cow skin. So first, I'm going to start off by pressuring my peas. I always bulk pressure my peas, so I'm just pressuring a whole lot of red peas and I'm going to use some from it. So these are the main ingredients for our soup. We have corn, carrot, okra, pumpkin, pepper, and for the meat we're going to be using chicken neck, chicken foot, whole skin, and I also have here some dasheen and yellow yam, and I also have pigtail scallion. All right, so first I'm going to pressure the cow skin because this cow skin is very tough, so you want to pressure the cow skin first. After the cow skin is pressured, I'm going to pressure both the chicken neck, chicken foot, and the cow skin again together. While they are pressuring, I'm going to prepare my dough to make my dumplings. Making the dough is super easy. You just want to add some flour, cornmeal, add water, a little bit at a time until the dough is formed by using it with a spoon to mix it together to form the dough, or you can also use your hand. I like to start off using the spoon, and after the dough start to mold, I'll go on and finish it up with my hands. But I'll put a link in the top right corner showing you how to make Jamaican style cornmeal dumpling. So red pea soup or soup on a whole is cooked in most, if not all, Jamaican households on a Saturday. But depending on how we're feeling, sometimes we'll cook something different. But this is a tradition for us. This is a part of our culture to prepare red pea soup or chicken foot soup, whatever soup it is. We love prepare with soup on a Saturday. So if you live with your grandparents, them a go cook them soup. The elders always love to cook their soup on a Saturday. So that's what we're doing today, showing you how to make Jamaican style red pea soup with cow skin, chicken foot, and chicken neck. I know most of my viewers here are from the United States, so I just want to share our culture with you guys. A part of our culture that is where we love to cook our soups on Saturday. If you're liking the video so far, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment below and comment something nice, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. A majority of us are watching the content and loving it. Thank you guys for the thumbs up though, but you guys are not subscribing. Please subscribe if you're loving the content so far. Alright, so our dough is all done and this is how it is looking. Our cow skin is also done, and as you can see, it is slipping right off the fork. If it is tough, guys, you would not see this happening, right? So guys, if you pressure your cow skin and it's not cooked, you can add more time on it. So afterwards, I just pour the cooked peas and meat into my soup pot, and then I'm going to add some coconut milk. I had about 1 cup of coconut milk, and I'm going to allow the coconut milk to boil up for about 2 to 5 minutes. Afterwards, I'm going to prepare my dough. I'm going to prepare my dough to make my dumpling. I'm going to add some small dumplings, and I'm also going to add some spinners. All right. So this is what Jamaicans call spinners, and that's how it is done. You basically put the dough in your hands, in the palm of your hands, and just roll it, right? So that is that. So once the dumplings are done, we're just going to add the tough ground provisions, right? The tough produces. So we're going to start off with the corn. followed by the yellow yam, and then we'll move up to the softer foods because you want to ensure that you add the tougher foods first and then you add the softer foods which cook very easy, because you don't want to add the softer foods first because they're going to crush out into the pot and we don't want that. For seasoning, even though we're not making pumpkin soup, what I like to do is to sieve the soup mix. Get rid, I will just trash the noodles and use the season part of the soup mix, right? And then I'll use that to season the pot. But if you have whatever seasoning you'd like to use, you can go ahead and add the seasoning of your choice. Then, of course, you're going to season with your vegetable seasoning, your scallion, thyme, and add your scotch bonnet pepper. Then you're going to taste to your liking to see if you want to add more salt. But at this point, I didn't add any salt because the season already has salt in it. So we're going to add our vegetables, our okra. With the okra now, my spouse like is soup very thick, so you love when the peas is partially crushed out in the soup. He loves when the okra is crushed out in the soup, and then the cow skin gives that thickness to the soup, so that's how we love his soup, right? So I'm adding all of these food to my soup, as you can see, colorfully decorated. A pot will full up. All right, guys. So yes, we're just going to add the foods to the pot and allow them to cook until they're done. Once they're done, we're just going to plate and enjoy our delicious cow skin red peas soup. Oh wow, look at that thick and delicious red pea soup with cow skin. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new and you haven't yet done so, or if you have watched the video a couple times and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if the video was informative, straightforward, and easy to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.